Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. I'd like to start by apologizing to all of you for no videos for a while. Life's been busy, work's been really hard. There's like hardly anybody out there wanting to do any construction, so now it's getting ready to rain on me. But now's the time, if you want to make some serious money, construction is where it's at. There's hardly anybody out there doing it, and my phone has been ringing off the hook. But I also want to tell you that I also moved my parents here to Oklahoma with me. So you got to take care of family, and family comes first. So now, with all that said, if you get a chance, go to my new page on Instagram, the Handyman Leatherman, and follow along for sneak peeks and future projects. Also, we hit 1,000 subscribers. And thanks to you guys, we were able to do that. So in honor of you guys, we're doing a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe to my Instagram. So let's go ahead and get back on the camper again, and I'll show you what I've been doing. Welcome to the top of my camper. This right here is the vent that goes over the bathroom. Now this vent, I've already cut off the pipe that goes to this vent. This was for the gray water, but we're not going to be using the sink in the bathroom. So I plugged it off, and we're going to cut this off and plug this so it don't leak anymore into my camper. There we go. Don't need that anymore. All right. Now I just got to find something to grind this down a little bit. Find something to put over this, and then we'll put some Flex Seal over it. This Flex Seal's been doing amazing. We haven't had one leak, so everything's doing pretty good. All right. I cut off all of the Flex Seal and everything that was on top of it. Now I'm just going to unscrew it. It'd be a lot easier. There we go. Digging around on here more, and there's another plate here. I thought that's all we had to do earlier. Look at this bad boy. Leatherman 300M. Isn't that beautiful? Man, this thing is so nice. There we go. Haha. Now there we go. Finally down to the actual roof material. I want to cut this back some more, try to make this as flat as possible. Got it all cleaned up. Look how nice that Flex Seal is. I wiped it all down and it went back to white. This is some really cool stuff. Now let's go ahead and I made this metal plate. Gonna go over it like that. We'll glue it, screw it down. Alright, that looks pretty good. We're going to let that dry, and then tomorrow we're going to roll it out with some Flex Seal. Well, the liquid nails dried really good. Boy, that was I was hoping to use tar, but I didn't have any, but that turned out really good. So I grabbed my Flex Seal, the same stuff that I used on this camper, and it dried up on me. I should have known that. Painters know that when you have an air gap in a can, the air in the can dries it up. I should have tried to put it in a small container. So, oh well. I was trying to find something else to do, so I went to Walmart and I found this. I haven't seen this yet. It's called Flex Paste. It's really thick, so I was thinking, well, I could just spread it over this. So I figured both of us could figure out what's going on and see if we like this. So it's got a cover on it. Oh, look at that. Has a dry pack inside. I like this. It's got a cover on it. It says, read directions before use, do not discard foil, which means that we're going to be able to put this foil back on to keep the air from drying this out. So I like this. This is pretty cool. I'm glad they came out with something like this. All right. So I'm going to use this stick and we're just going to spread it across here and see how it looks. Okay. Real thick. This is not going to be pretty, but it's going to do the job and keep it from leaking. Oh yeah. I actually like this better than what I was thinking about doing. I thought about buying one of those spray cans, but I wanted something about the same consistency. This is a little bit thicker, but I like this. Now, if a person had a plastic trowel, it'd probably make this even better. I didn't have any. So we're just going to use one of my 5-in-1s. That way I can make it look a little bit pretty. I mean, nobody's going to ever see this, but I want it to look nice. Yeah, I think I like this stuff. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's put our foil back over the top without it getting on our hands. Oh yeah, there we go. It's better than nothing, but this is gonna. So this was see how I smashed it all the way back down in there. So this was $13. So the neat thing about this is if you don't need a lot, this may do what you need it to do. And then that little foil pack, there's a dry pack right there. I don't know why that dry pack's on there. You want to keep moisture, you'd think, in there. But anyways, that I think is going to be the ticket we're looking for. We'll know here in a couple days when it starts to rain again. Not pretty, but I think it's going to keep the water from coming in there. All right, another project done on the camper. Let's move on to the next thing. Now let me show you where we left off in the last video. There's those beautiful tires that we installed. Don't they look good? But you notice how it sits in the fender well. This is when I realized we have another situation we're going to have to deal with. Let me show you the other side. See how much lower it sits in there? I just found out I have a leaf spring that's flatter than the other side. So that's going to have to be another project. You can't really see because of all the leaves. This was the only wheel that was any good, so we turned it into a spare. I just bolted it down, strapped it down for now in the front. So we'll find a better place for it later. Do you remember that cargo trailer, my small blue cargo trailer? The air conditioner, how I put it in there, we're going to use the same bracket and we're going to move it to this trailer. Let me show you how I install that. Now when we need an air conditioner in here, I just snap it into the same bracket that I used in the little blue trailer. I can just move it over here. This thing snaps to it. We can roll around air conditioner anywhere we want. And on the outside, let me show you. Okay, see there's our exhaust port coming straight out. When I don't need the air conditioner, this panel goes back up, but when we need the air conditioner, we can open that up. All right, let's put the foam back in and put this back in. Slides up into there, wiggle it a little bit. I'm going to have to make a quick latch on this, but that's in there. So now we've got one project done. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being patient with me. I've been doing a lot of filming, but I haven't had anything that I could complete. So I will be trying to keep these videos going at least once a week. So hope you guys enjoy this. Give me a thumbs up if you get a chance. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I've been really busy helping my mom and dad get settled in. Now me and Mr. Ed, if you haven't seen our other videos I did with him where we did some metal detecting, we've been doing some research and we're hoping to do some more metal detecting here in Oklahoma, and I'll be showing you those in future videos. So until I see you guys again, you guys have fun on your projects and stay out of trouble. I think I'm gonna have to go inside before it starts raining. This is some crazy weather. At least it's a break from this 102-degree weather. Whew, it's been hard to do any work outside or do any filming that way. My GoPro does not like that heat. So you guys take care and have fun.